Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to review Asus VivoBook Pro 14X. The price of this laptop is 1,17,500 and it is available in the Amazon. If you want to buy this laptop, please buy through my link so that I can get some sort of commission without costing you anything. So let's start. The price of this machine is 1,17,500 and in this video we are going to cover these topics. What are the topics to be covered in this video? The first one is general information about this laptop and display information, performance of this machine. What is the performance? RAM performance of this machine, okay, and memory, RAM, storage, which storage they are using in this machine, and battery, advantage and disadvantage of this machine, and is it worth on this price? That is it worth on this price? Let's see by understanding these specification, and let's see is it worth or not on that price. Let's start with the general information. Under general information we have brand. You all know that it is Asus. Utility. What is the utility of this machine? It is preferred for gaming, but you can use for office use, or if you are a student you can use that. So it's basically built for gaming, and OS used in this machine is a newer version of Windows 11 and OS type 64-bit. What do you mean by 64-bit? 64-bit is nothing but it can access 2 upon 64 memory addresses. That is, it can handle anything more than 4 GB of RAM. 32-bit system can handle only 4 GB of RAM, but 64-bit system can handle anything more than 4 GB of RAM. The next, weight of this machine is 1.45 kg. It is a lightweight machine. Fine. Refresh rate. Nowadays everyone is saying this refresh rate because if you open an app, it should open quickly. If you open a file, it should open quickly. For that, refresh rate is important. It's standard 90 Hertz. Fine, the general information is done. The next point is about display. The size of the display is smaller one, 14-inch, and type of the display is OLED. I don't have any complaints about this this display. Let's see the resolution. Resolution is 2880 into 1800 pixels. What do you mean by pixels? Pixels are those, let's say this is your laptop screen display. There will be small boxes. Those are called pixels. Through that you can see images, words, whatever it gives a color or light for your display, and through that you can see images, words, anything what you are seeing in laptop. That is because of pixels, right? What is these number represents? These number represents that 2880 pixels small boxes are there in the horizontal form, and 1800 pixels are there in the vertical format. That is the meaning of these numbers. And 100% DCI-PB color gamut. It's nothing but you can see more colors and clarity colors. It is built for the gaming purpose. You can experience wonderful color gaming in this laptop, right? Okay, the next point is about performance of this system, right? Under performance we have processor. What is the processor used in this laptop? The processor used in this laptop is AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. It's I can say that it is perfect for gaming. It can compete with the Intel i9. It is similar performance with the Intel i9, and if you compare with the Intel i7, it's far more better than i7. Fine, the processor is built for the gaming purpose. Fine, the cores in this processor is 8 cores and threads are 16. What is this cores and threads? Basically, in the layman language, if there is more cores, there will be more performance, and these threads interlinked with the cores. If you have one core, there will be two threads, and if you have two cores, there will be four threads, and if you have four core, there will be 8 threads. Like that, this will be interconnected. If there is 8 cores, there will be 16 cores, 16 threads, right? Cache of this laptop is more than enough. It is 20 MB. What do you mean by cache? Cache is nothing but a system stores your data for a temporary period of time. After that period, it will get deleted. For that, they have allotted 20 MB. It is more than sufficient, right? The clock speed of this machine is 4.6 gigahertz. Still, it is better, not the best. It is 4.6 gigahertz. Fine, it's standard one, I can say, not the best. Fine, the graphics is used in this laptop is GeForce RTX 3050 IT GDDR6, and it has 4 GB of VRAM. Okay, fine. This graphics is like high performing graphics. It can be used for high-end games. If you are playing PUBG, you can play the game in 1080 pixels easily. It will be smooth running game in this graphics. Fine, the performance is done. Next point is memory. We have 16 GB DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM. 16 MB is fine. Anything you can play PUBG easily. Any high-end game you can play easily, no problem. And DDR4 RAM, they could have used DDR5, but that's fine. There will be no problem with this RAM. It is quite high speed only, no problem. And the speed of this RAM is 3200 megahertz. It's a standard speed of the RAM. Fine. Storage of this machine is 1 TB of SSD. So what do you mean, what is the difference between HDD, hard drive, right, HDD and SSD? What is the difference between HDD and SSD? If you ask, the data transfer speed of HDD will be around 80 MB to 160 Mbps, and if you see SSD's speed, it will be around 200 MB to 550 MB. Quite high speed compared to SSD, right? Fine. Battery is a 64 watt hours, and it is 3-cell battery. I am not satisfied with this battery. They could have used 6-cell batteries for the price, right? I can say it is a drawback. Fine. What is the advantage and disadvantage of this laptop? The disadvantage of this machine is There is no upgradable RAM. I didn't get information about this anyway. And battery of this machine is an disadvantage. Fine, advantage is Windows 11, SSD, and processor of this machine. So, is it worth? If you ask me, is it worth or not? I can say that it is 90% worth. You can easily buy this laptop and use it for general purpose also, and if you want gaming, it's also possible, and a very high gaming, yeah, easily possible. With this, we are finishing this video. Let's see in the another video. Thank you for watching.